Hello, I'm Savannah Simpson. I'm a professional makeup artist with some esthetician and skincare background. And today we have Haley here with us. I will be showing you the Rose Quartz roller and talk about some of the benefits as well as why I love using this in any skin routine. It's also came in a package with the Jade roller too. But today we're just going to be demonstrating the Rose Quartz. To start, we're going to be cleansing our face with the Ultra Cleanser. This is one of my favorite cleansers just because it's so soft on the skin. And we're going to make sure that by using this it gets all of the makeup and dirt and residual so she has a nice clean canvas. So we can put our lotion or serum when we do the Rose Quartz roller. And I usually warm it up with my hands first, just so it's not cold when it gets on her face. So now that we have her face nice and cleaned and cleansed, I will be demonstrating the Rose Quartz roller on the face, and I'm going to put a little bit of moisturizer mixed with a little bit of facial oil. Now with the Rose Quartz roller, you can use a serum, a lotion, a facial oil with it, or you can just do it by itself. But I love using it with a product just because it helps for the skin to absorb the product more. So let's do that. I'm going to be using the Dermalogica Active Moist for the lotion. And then I'm going to just be mixing in a little bit of argan oil with that. Nothing too crazy. It's just going to help spread it over the skin and hydrate it a little bit. And I'll warm it up in my hands so we got no coldness on her face. So now that we have her lotion and facial oil on her face, we will start using the roller. So this is the Rose Quartz roller. Again, it's like really cute because it has like the gold that's holding up the Rose Quartz crystal, and then it has like the Rose Quartz for the wand. Then it has like the smaller one at the end, which is like good for like the small places like under the eyes or like the ends of the nose, but I usually tend to use just this one. So I usually roll up because it helps with the wrinkles as well as anti-aging with the elasticity. It firms the skin, and as you get older, your face tends to, the skin tends to droop down a little bit. So by doing this, this helps with keeping the skin staying nice and tight and having the flexibility that it needs, which is nice. Kind of brilliant, actually. And it has a nice feeling too, like it's kind of cool to the skin. Isn't it interesting? Now, one of the many reasons why I love using these Rose Quartz rollers is because the elements and minerals that are in the crystal itself, which is the iron, the sodium, the oxygen, the magnesium, as well as the silicone, and it helps reduce inflammation as well as rejuvenate the skin, which is another property that also helps with anti-aging. So, yeah. Now, the silica helps with the skin really nicely since it helps the flexibility within the skin, as I was saying earlier, talking about the whole anti-aging process. And it's also nice too because the magnesium slows down the aging process. And fun fact as well, the Egyptians believed that the Rose Quartz crystal itself helps with anti-aging. So when you bring those two properties together, it helps the skin tremendously, which is pretty awesome, as well as just the roller effect with moving the skin upwards. It helps over time as you use it continuously, which is pretty cool. Now, all these elements are amazing with the skin because it helps renew it, and I think using this Rose Quartz in the process with your skin routine is definitely awesome, just because of the benefits that I've seen with it. I've definitely seen my skin glow more with it, and this Rose Quartz one is awesome to use at night because the metaphysical properties of Rose Quartz itself help with calming the skin. And later on in the video, I'll have like two little thing about the Jade roller and the rose quartz roller and the metaphysical properties of that if you're interested, because I know that I love that stuff and I think it's very interesting. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and there will be a link down below of the bundle of the Jade roller and the rose quartz, which are pretty cool. I like the bundle. I think it's cool to switch it off because they definitely have different properties and help the skin. They basically do the same exact thing, but the main difference between them is definitely the metaphysical properties, which you'll be able to read. And the rose quartz is cool too because as well as doing the whole calming the skin, it also helps with balancing emotions and lowering stress. So that also ties into the great to use at nighttime. So yeah, that's awesome. I think they're cool. I like them. They're fun. This is something I'm definitely going to be adding into like my clients' routines when I prep the skin to do like the makeup stuff, just because I know it helps with the product absorbing into the skin and the benefits. So yeah, I think it'll be fun. I think it's cool, and it's definitely something that I personally love using on my skin as well. So yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. So comment, subscribe, and like the video. Bye guys.